Do you want to know how you can get your fibs retracement on TradingView to look like this, to look like this? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So I'm going to show you how to kind of get rid of the rainbow looking fibs and all the extra numbers that you don't need, and how to extend your lines and only have a couple lines because you really don't need that much, or at least for me, for the way I trade. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. To the right hand or the left hand side, you're going to look at the third one. Okay, now I'm using Top Step X because that's one of the trading platforms I'm using, which incorporates TradingView, so it all works the same. So mine might look a little different than yours, but all the features, everything is the same as in TradingView. So you go to the third one down, click on that, and that's going to be your very first one. What I like to do is I like to press the star, and then it gives me all my quick access tools up here. So once we've done that, what we're going to do, and we'll get rid of that, we'll just left click, highlight it, and then just draw from high to low, and it's going to look like this. What you'll want to do is, once it's kind of highlighted like this, you'll see the bar, go into settings, okay, and these are the settings you're going to want. Turn off trend line, extend lines to the right so they go over there. You're going to just select these three, and this one you'll probably need to change because it'll be like 71 or something like that. Just enter 0.75, 0.618, and 0.382. Those are the ones I use. If you want the one or the 23, if you want the 50, just add them accordingly to what you want in your own trading, right? So if you want to add the 50, you'll see the 50 lines here. If I want that to be a white line, it'll pop up, right? I personally don't use the 50. These are my three golden numbers, right? The 38.2, 61.8, and the 0.75. And if you want to learn more about Fibonacci's, I actually have a whole section in my Day Trading Made Easy video course. There's a link down below. Also, you can get one of my free ebooks of my top day trading strategy for free too. But once we go down, you'll probably see this highlight. Okay, if you want to get rid of the rainbow looking colors, uncheck that, and then just leave the levels there and kind of leave everything else same. I don't show the 0 or the 1, which is the high and the low of where I draw them, because I want as little as possible on the trend line or on the charts to keep the charts clean. And then once you've done that, just come over here, select Save As, and just type in whatever you want to save it as. And then every time that you go and use these Fibonacci retracements, they will always look exactly the same, like that. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you like Fibonacci's, and don't forget my course. I have a whole section where I teach you Fibonacci retracement and also Fibonacci extensions, and there's a $200 coupon code off the course. So hopefully I'll see you in the course, but I will definitely see you on the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this one. Thank you.